What's up guys, welcome to this video, this second part of the top 3 websites to make money online in 2018, even as a beginner, because you don't need that many skills to make money online. If you want to make millions of online, you need a lot of skills. If you just want to make a living, you don't need that much skills. You only need to make something you love and to create an audience around this and to promote products. And we are going to see how you can do this very simply and without needing cash, without investment. Let's get into it. And once you got your audience and you have their attention, they see you, they look at you. Once you have this, you can be like, for example, let's take gardening. You can be like, hey guys, so I've just tried this new shovel and it's great because it allows me to go deeper, to take out more stuff, and it allows me to just go faster, to have less bruises on my hands, and blah 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 blah. And yeah, I really recommend you this stuff. Go check it out. The link for this is in the description of the video, or like on your Instagram bio, or on your Facebook group, or on your Facebook fan page, whatever it is. And people who watch you, they're gonna be like, oh, so Jenny is doing the gardening, and I like Jenny because Jenny is so sexy. Whatever. Jenny is like so nice, so whatever. Jenny is so like retarded, so it makes me feel smart, for example. And people see that, they see her using that shovel, and they're like, huh, I'm interested in this. I wonder what it looks like and how much it costs. So they will go on your description of your YouTube videos, they will click on the video, and then they will go on the website where that shovel is, and some of them will buy. And when they buy, guess what? You make money. Why do you make money? You make money because you have an affiliation. You have an affiliation, meaning you don't need to create product, you don't need to sell product. All you need to do is just show the product to your audience. And once your audience sees that product, they go on the website of the product, and the people who buy it will give you a commission. So for example, that website, he is selling that shovel for like 30 bucks and 10 people buy it, so that's 300 bucks. And with that sales, that website will give you back like 100 bucks. So you just made 100 bucks just making a videos about a freaking shovel. And you just said like, hey guys, I have a new shovel, it's really great, try it. That's all you did. That's affiliation. Or you can be a digital product. For example, you are trying to swim. You like to swim. So you create content around swimming, and you tell the people, hey guys, there's a new course about how to swim like fucking Michael Phelps, and it really helped me improve my time. It's really great because that's that and that. The link to that video, to that course is in the description of the video. So people click on that, they get on the sales page of the course, which is not built by you, it's built by the person that owns the course, and some people will buy it. Of the people who buy it, you will have a commission. For example, that course is like 200 bucks. And let's say that 10 people buy it, so that's 2,000 bucks. You will get 50% of that, and just made 1,000 bucks just telling your audience, hey guys, if you want to get better, this course will help you guys. So you didn't sell anything, you didn't create anything, you just told them like, hey, you can use this. You can create your own product, you can create your own stuff, but that means that you need to create it, you need to write it, you need to videotape it, whatever. I'm now making, I don't know, a couple thousands bucks with my programs, with the books that I've written. I've actually written 4 books now, and I'm very proud of this. I'm super proud of this. Because when you start to create your own product, like the first product I built, I sold it for 400 bucks in 24 hours. And I was really proud of that money, but it wasn't really about the money. It was more about like, hey, I've written something, and people were interested enough in what I have to say to buy it. And that was really the thing. Now I'm making dozens of thousands of bucks selling my own shit, but I have more programs, I have more PDFs. That's not the amount of money that you will make by creating your own PDF. Well, at least not right away. Now you can, yes, but you will need to write them. You will need to build them. You can use someone else to do that, but I mean, you have time, it's something you love, why not write about it, talk about it, and create a course with it. Anyone can do it, it's actually quite pleasant. So that's the way you go about this. You just create your content, you build an audience. Once you have their attention, you just tell them about a product that has helped you guys to get the results that those guys want. And you don't even need to get results. For example, let's take me. I'm pregnant with fat. You know, I don't look like I lift. Yet my job is to be a fitness coach. And I don't go to the gym, train people. I don't like this, so I don't do that. I don't like to have appointment. I don't like to have to be somewhere at a certain point, so I don't do appointment. But I do fitness coaching online. Yes, guys, I don't look like I lift, yet I'm helping people lift and lose weight. So you don't need to be like a fucking pro to make an income. You just need to know more than them. Simple. Super simple, guys. That's all you need. That's really all you need. And it's really valuable for someone. Like, if someone doesn't know how to get in shape, I'm very valuable. But if someone already knows how to get in shape, I'm not valuable. You know, it's that simple. How to whom are you valuable? You don't need to be valuable to anyone. To everyone, sorry. You don't need to add value to everybody. You just need to add value to those kind of people. With the internet, you can really make money with anything. With any niche, it's big enough to make you a living. Trust me, it's big enough to make you a living. Now, the next level of all of this stuff is to get out of those platforms. Because, like I said, with the websites, you always depend on the website. If YouTube crashes, you're dead. If Facebook crashes, dead. If Instagram crashes, dead. We want to build something that is unbreakable. And that something is email addresses. I know you guys are like, what the fuck is this shit? Well, trust me, guys, email addresses is the best, most reliable way to make money online. And why is that? Well, remember I talked to you about attention, right? Well, when someone knows you and you send them email, they are way more likely to read the emails, especially if they trust you. And when they read their emails, you can send them your content, but you can also send them pitches. You can try to sell them stuff. You don't have to sell your stuff, you can sell someone else's stuff. And you don't even have to sell, you can just talk about the product. For example, you get the email addresses of people. How do you get their email addresses? Simple, offer a free guide. Hey Sandra, if you're interested in email marketing, in gardening, I've just created a free guide of 20 pages that will take you from not being able to take up the shovel and whatever and doing whatever to being able to grow a really good looking tree. Whatever, I've never done, I really suck at gardening, so you know, guys, take something that is important to your niche, that is important to what you love. And you tell those people like, hey, I have this free guide, I want to give it to you, just give me your first name, just give me your email address, and I will send it to you. You do that, people will give you their email address. Once they give you their email addresses, you send them the free PDF, the free guide, whatever it is. Then you can start to sell them other stuff. You can send them a video, you can send them an article, you can send them a photo, and blah 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 blah. But you can also send them an email where you tell them about a product. Well, you tell them like, hey, I've noticed, if you're here, it's probably because you're interested into gardening. Don't say that, just tell them, hey, if you want to be about the gardener, I've just used this brand new shovel. It's really great. If you want to check it out, click on that link and yeah, go buy yours. They click on that link, they get on the website, they see the product, and some of them will buy. And guess what? When they buy, you get a part of the money. Yes, sir. So that's how you can do this. That's how I build my stuff. At first, I only use YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and I make money like this. I launched my ebook, and I made like, I don't know, 1K in my first month or something like this. But that's not how I'm making passive income every day now, guys. The reason why I'm making passive income every day is because I'm using this. I'm using this now. And I did that by automating, just like we said at the beginning of the video, by automating all of that stuff. So I don't need to be like, oh, write my emails to that person, that to that person, that to that person. No, fuck no, all right? I have a software that enables me to write my email once, then to automate it. And then I can tell my email software, hey, send him the PDF, then send him that video, then send him that article, then hey, send him that email about that link. And meaning, I don't have to do anything. And that stuff is making me thousands every month. Yeah, I don't have to work for it because it's all automated. And this is the greatest part of making money online. And this is when you start to build your freedom. You don't get free by fucking taking service and doing that stuff. You get free by creating a monster, not a monster, but like a machine. Yeah, that machine is better. Monster is like, well, I don't want to create a machine, monster. Machine is like way more, like, you know, it's accessible. And it's really, I mean, it's not even you creating the machine. A machine has been built, you tell the machine, send that email, then send that email, then send that email, then send that email, then send blah, 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 blah. And you do that, and that gets you money. But in order to get that money, you need to have attention. You need to have an audience. If you don't have attention or an audience, you're fucked. So yeah, guys, get attention, build an audience, make some money online. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button so you can get notified of the next video that I will make around this magnificent subject. Now, I'm gonna go chill out. It's like 3 p.m. It's 3 p.m. And yeah, everyone is working, so I'm just here. I'm just like making my videos, and nobody wants to hang out. And everybody has to work. Kind of sucks, but whatever. It's good outside, so I'm just gonna go for a walk. Yeah. Whatever, guys. It's Friday, so yeah. Tomorrow night, most people will be free. I hope so. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like it, by the way. And yes, thank you guys. I'll see you. Tschüss. Peace out.